Bhaktivedanta Siddhananda Goswami Maharaj simultaneously offered my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, Lotus feet of Nectarila, Pravishtam Vishnukar, Ashtutara Sapana Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Siddhar Bhakti Puri Vishnu and all senior devotees and Navajana Vishnu. Continue. We also discuss this Srimad Bhagavad Kathamritam. Yesterday, we also discussed the once in Namisaranya. नमिसे निमिषे क्षेत्रे विषय सुनुकाद तत्र सर्गाय लोकाय सत्र समासत. That means once all the ceremonies of Namisaranya, they perform their duties for sacrifice, and in the meantime Sutta Goswami path he arrived. Then all Rishi Munis, they stood up and give up their asana and give the highest asanam sthanam to Sutta Goswami path. When Sutta Goswami path seated on the asana, that time Rishi Munis, they asked 6 questions. Study briefly, I also told to you. After these 6 questions, actually the essence of all Srimad Bhagavatam and the ends in there. Yesterday I also mentioned the first question. Tatra tatra Anjasa Asman Bhavata Tadvidhi Nishchitam Pumsam Ekantam Tata Sriyas Samshitum Bhavarsi. The purport about this verse. Pumsam Ekanta Sriyastam Samshitum Bhavarsi. What is the highest auspiciousness, Mangal? Started beginning that when Krishna departed from this material world. So Rishi Munis, they perform their duties of fire sacrifice. Then why they want to attain to heaven, Sarga Loka. Heaven, how to go to the heavenly planet. When Sutta Goswami path arrived, and that time they were very happy, and they gave one asana to Sutta Goswami path and asked 6 questions. The first question is that Pumsam Ekanta Syastanam Sanskritum Aharshi. Then that means what is the perfect Mangal, Sriya, highest, ultimate Mangal, benefit I will get till us. This is the first question. That time Sutta Goswami path very happy. Okay, I will give answer. Because in this Kali Yuga, Prayeno Alpa Ayusa Sabha Kala Asmin Juge Jana Manda Smunda Mato Manda Bhaga Jipadrapa. In this Kali Yuga, people, their age is very short. Okay? Sapta Treta Dapar Yugas people, their age very low. Sapta Yugas people, they live how many? 1 lakh years. 100,000 years they then Treta Yug 10 less how much? 10,000. 10 less. Then Dapar Yuga 10 less. How many? 1,000. Or Kali Yug again 10 less. How many? 100. This is also very rare also. In this Kali Yug, your age is 100 years, you are so lucky. Very difficult. 100 years. 70, 80, 90, very rare. Average you can say. So Yasi Prayano, Alpa Ayusa, Sabha Kala, Usmin Jugajana, or Manda Sumanda, Manda Bhaga, Jupadrava. And Koliju people, they are very unfortunate. Durbhagya. Unfortunate people. So saying Manda Sumanda Matayo. Sumanda Matayo. They are buddhi, intelligent, very less intelligent people. Mostly also crazy people. Lazy and crazy. In this Kali Yug, most of the people lazy and crazy. They don't want to bhajan sadhana. Crazy and also lazy. So what they are doing? Doing something nonsense. They are saying this. Manda Sumanda. Or Manda Bhagga Jupadra. Manda Bhagga. Bad luck also there. And Jupadrupa. What is that? Many kinds of their distress, unhappiness. Most of the mental problems. Kali Yuga, people are saying, physical problems less. Which problem is more? Mental problem. I'm completely also crazy. Mental. Here is like Prayano Alpa Ayusa Sabha Kala Usmin Juge Jana Manda Sumanda Matayu Manda Bhagga Jupadrava. So how they will attain the highest Mangal? Mangal means auspiciousness. This is not possible. How do you? Actually, what is the answer? How do you get? Pungsang Ekantasan, only if they listen Krishna Katha, Hari Katha. If they listen Krishna Katha, that is the super excellent auspiciousness. Krishna Naam and Krishna Katha, in this Kali Yug, highest auspiciousness, that is called Hari Naam and Hari Katha. This is the same. Mangalam Mangalanam Satamikavalla Sapalisas. Mangalam Mangalanam. There are many kinds of auspicious in this Kali Yuga. But topmost auspicious, that is called Nam Sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna Katha and Krishna Naam is a super auspicious. Mangala Mangalam Sagalangaballi Satpalam Chitswarupam Brigvaranarmatra Tarayeta Krishnanam. Tarayeta Krishnanam. If you listen to Krishnanam or Krishna Katha, you will deliver from this material. This simple word. Give that answer. Second question is that yesterday we also mentioned. What is the second question? Bhurini bhuri karamani siya shrutabbani divagasa ata sadhutra samsara samudhrita munisa bruhi bhadrayam bhutanam jena atma prasidati. Bruhi bhadraya bhutanam jena atma prasidati. How Lord would be pleased with us. Here atma means Bhagavan. Sometimes also atma means soul. Atma prasidati. There are many meanings of atma. Atma sabd, Brahma. Atma means Brahma. Atma means deha, body. Atma means mind. Atma means soul. Atma means Paramatma, super soul. Atma means Saint Bhagavan. The many meanings synonyms come. But if Bruhi Bhadraya Bhutananam Jena Atma Suprasidati. How does Atma will be please? What is the answer? Savai Pungsang Paro Dharma Jato Bhakti Aduskari Ahituki Apratyata Jatma Samprasidati. This was very love. Savai Pungsang Paro Dharma Jato Bhakti Aduskari Ahituki Apratihata Jatma Samprasidati. Ahituki Bhakti. You have to perform devotional service to Lord. That is called causeless. Causeless devotional service to Lord. Bhakti is Savai Pungsang Paro Dharma Jato Bhakti Aduskar. Aduskar means Bhagavan Vishnu. Vaikuntha Dhavati. Adha Kritam Indriya Jnanam and Aprakita Jnanam iti. Aduskar. That means Bhagavan Vishnu, Vaikuntha Dhavati, who is the Lord of, with the Supreme Lord, Bhagavan. All his senses that got transcendental. All our senses, material sense. Our eyes, nose, hands, everything, material. But Lord, all his senses are transcendental, they are aprakita. And all with his senses, he can perform all kind of activities. There is a difference. Concerned soul, eyes only you can see. But Lord, with his eyes, he can see. And he can also walk. He can eat with his eyes. This is the difference. Lord and conditioned soul. Lord, he eats with his eyes. Understand? Lord, he looks with his eyes. Brahma Samhita gives evidence. Sakala Indra Vittivanti Pasanti Panti Kalanti. This sloka also explains. If you read Brahma Samhita will explain this way. Because all his senses are transcendental, aprakita, divya. Apani Padu Javan Grahita. He has no legs, but he walks. Tahapasi. Do you understand philosophy? He has no hands, but he performed something with his hand. But how possible he in the hand? Apani pado javana grahita. He has no legs, but he walks. How possible? But no, he has legs. What is the legs? Transcendental legs. That is called aprakita charan. He has legs. But what is legs? Transcendental. Aprakita. Two things. Prakita and aprakita. Prakita means material. Or aprakita means supernatural. Transcendental, supernatural. What is here? Mayavadi or Advaitavadis, they can understand this philosophy. Here Brahma has no legs, Brahma has no eyes, Brahma has no form. So they are saying Nirakar, Nirvishes, Niranyana Brahma. But here Brahma Samhita very clearly explained. He has transcendental life. Vedanta Sutra also explained. Sa Vikkata, Sa Ikkata. Then he looks. He looks means what? He has eyes. If he has no eyes, how possible he will see? But impartially they can understand this philosophy. Impartially, thus, just the same, Brahma is called Nirakar. Nirakar means no form. But Brahma is form. Here explained this. Ved, Vedanta, Upanishad, everywhere. Lord has beautiful form. Bible also explains this very clearly. God created man after his own image. Image means what? Copy. Lord has beautiful form. For this regard, he creates the human being as like him. Our hands, legs coming from here. Our form is coming from here. Where did you get this body? Where? Follow. From your father, mother, parents. This simple. He took birth from your mother. Your mother had legs, hands or not? If your mother has no legs, hands, so how do your legs, hands come? Simple philosophy, sometimes Mayavadis they can understand. Because they have too much knowledge. But they forget the simple knowledge. Your face is as like your parents are. Must be. Some similar as like your mother or father. You can look it. If you have, so for this regard your father. So in this way it will go. Your father, their grandfather, their great grandfather. Which origin father coming? Krishna, Bhagavan, God. So that means God is our origin father, origin mother. For this regard we have come. Bible also clearly God created man after his own image. He with the own image. As like him. Your photo is good. As like you or me? Sometimes internet they are putting that somebody's head and somebody's legs and making one. Internet doing the thing. Understand? They put it in this head. God is not doing this. You cannot say this word. Now, internet many people are doing. Taking one person head, another person legs, another person head and making one. Taking the, what is it called? Photoshop. Got it now. Copy means you are educated. So, just I return back. विषये आत्मप्रसन्न संप्रसिद्धति ब्रूहि भद्राय भूतानां जेन आत्मा सुप्रसिद्धति. How Lord will be pleased. Now, if you practice bhakti, savi pumsam paro dharma jato bhakti ahituki apratihata. That bhakti is two adjectives here. Ahituki and apratihata. Ahituki means causeless. Ahituki. Or apratihata means uninterrupted, without stop, uninterrupted. So bhakti means, what do you mean bhakti? What do you mean bhakti? Huh? Bhakti means service, devotional service. And this service, devotional service should be applied with Guru and Krishna. Guru Seva, Krishna Seva. Krishna Seva. Bhagavad Seva. Service, devotional service to Lord, that is called bhakti. So for this regard, many acharyas, many scriptures also giving the definition about bhakti. What is the definition of bhakti? Sa paranurapti rissare iti bhakti Samgita Sutra. Sa paranurapti issare iti bhakti. Deep attachment towards Lord, that is called bhakti. If you sa paranurapti rissare iti bhakti. If you deep attachment with the Lord, that is called bhakti. Yesterday, Siguru Charane Rati, says Uttama Gati. What is the meaning? If you have deep attachment with Guru, this is called the highest destination. Siguru Charane Rati, says Uttama Gati. Uttama Gati, that is called highest destination. Rati means, what did I say Rati? Deep attachment. What is this? If I deep attachment to bhakti, devotional service coming on. How? If you deep attachment with someone, then automatically your tendency will come to serve to him. If your body, mind, speech, you have to serve. It's simple, right? If you attachment with someone, then automatically your servitual mode will come. And that servitual mode, what is that? Now with your body, mind and speech. First you understand the material. If you attachment with your whom? Son. What will do? Serve your son. Bodily serve your son. Nourishment your son. Understand? Because you attachment, deep attachment. My son, Mamata. Servitual mood come. Their mother. She first bodily serves her baby because attachment. Rati. Rati means deep attachment here. But to understand material, then you understand the transcendental. You attach someone, automatically your servitual mood will come. Love is not saying I love you, love you. Love means is that create the servitual mood. As the mother, she loves the baby. Mother, she does not say I love myself. Only stupid nonsense people are saying la 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 la. Do you do this now? Who is mother? She is doing that. When baby started, la 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 la. Then manasik in mind, when baby is sleeping or eating, and then he is remembering his son, his mind. And like Krishna is sleeping, then Mother Yashoda chanting the Jugat and here, persisting in her mind. In the after taking bath, and she was very nice, beautiful, and original pure cloth, and understand, pavitra basa, pure cloth, and chanting Jugat, very slowly, because sun is sleeping, it will go, then sun will be wake up, so slowly also doing, and also remembering her own sons first time in her mind. Jani kani charitani tadbalaka charitani dadhe nirmanthan samay. Sukdev Goswami part to him Maharaj Parikshit. Mother Yashoda, she was chanting the Jugat and remembering on her sons first time. So then Jani kani charitani tadbalaka charitani dadhe nirmanthan samaye. Passing. That why I'm saying, because if you deep attachment with someone, that automatically your servitual mood will come. If you attachment with some, even the material world, if you attachment with someone, servitual mood will come. What is your deep attachment? First you deep attachment to with whom? Your body. When you wake up early in the morning, then you first take care of your body, because you attachment to your body. That is your body seva. Deha seva. Sanskrit word what is called? Deha seva. Start your body. Then you take care others. Baby seva. Serve your baby. Serve your mother, father, wife. First you taking care with your body. Body. Dehatma. Seva. So I will compare with the attachment. Rati. Rati means attachment. But here saying, Sigura Charanya Rati, sahi se Uttama Rati. Narottam Das Thakur. If you deep attachment with Guru, then automatically Guru Seva will come. Understand? If you deep attachment with Guru, then Guru Seva automatically will come. Hankari, how to serve my Guru? It's simple. Yadi sahi se Siguru Charane Rati. Sahi se Uttama Rati. You learn this verse. What is it? Shri Guru Charane Rati Sahi se Uttama Rati. What is the meaning?
Deep attachment to the Lord's feet of Shri Guru is the highest attainment.
That is the highest destination. Uttama Gati. Uttama means highest. Gati means destination. So So that means here Narottam Das Thakur in this verse, Sri Guru Charanapada, in this verse, what is it? Deep attachment, rati towards Guru, that's the highest rati. And if your attachment is Guru, then automatically service will come. How to serve Guru? How to serve your Guru? 3 ways. Which is body, mind and speech. Same service going to Guru to going Krishna. Bhagavan, which called is Indradhipati. Krishna, he is called the supreme controller of our limbs and body. So for this called Indradhipati Bhagavan. But he has transcendental senses. So how to serve to him? When you deep attachment with the Lord, then all your anarthas, unwanted things removed from your heart. Then with your pure senses, you can serve to Krishna. So sarvapadi vinamuktam tatparittam nirmalam hisikena hisikesa sevanam bhaktiruchyate. अतः श्री कृष्ण नामादीन भविद ग्राह्येन्द्रियै सेवन मुको ही जियादो स्वयमेव स्फुरत तदा. So Sabi points then bhakti's highest definition, what is that? Anna vilasita sunnam jnana karmadana pritam anukullena krishnanu jivanam bhakti uttama. You know what I think so? For Sabi points, Anna vilasita sunnam jnana karmadana pritam anukullena krishnanu jivanam bhakti uttama. That is uttama bhakti. So Atma Prasanna. So he has a Bruhi Padraya Bhutanam Janatma Prasiddhati. How Lord will be pleased if you practice Uttama Bhakti, has devotional service to Lord. Uttama. But this is very highest. Not so. In morning I told how to serve Guru and Krishna when you know his heart. If you know his heart, then you can properly serve. It's the same. But you know what is called first what to do? I know the heart of Gurudev. How can you serve Guru? This is true. I don't know the heart of Guru. So how can I serve Guru? This question is coming also. Because if you don't know his desire, how to serve him? In morning I told, bring water, Gurudev told. Your disciple, how many hours he returned back? Who did you remember? One by one. Gurudev, what water will bring? Hot water or cold water, cold drink water? Are you which kind of cup? Silver cup or plastic? And bring you water with your tray or as you hold the hand. Many. That is called Vijaya. Stupid nonsense. Not nonsense. Can you start to have? And this thing. Sometimes give you example. What is it? Gurudev, your name is not on the list. Guru Seva. Many times also discuss this katha. Gurudev, and your name not on the list. So these types of things you are. Seva. Seva. You know, Sanskrit. Seva. You omit the se. So what is going to be? Vak means?
Speech.
Crane. Those who are there. Can you understand? Those who are eating the fish. Okay. Vak. Isn't it white? They have also some also choti. And they also bring on the bank of the river or the beach, when you're walking on the beach ocean, and yesterday we saw some types of the birds. Understand? That long their throat, as the fish. And if the fish coming, they cook. You buck. And Krishna also killed the Bakasura. Bakasura, Bakasura. Sevak nahi bak. Mane? That means you are cheating propensity. Bakasura means you are. The symbol of cheating propensity. Chalkapati. Symbol of cheating. And another Sevak, what is it? Guru told, bring Rasgulla, 4 Rasgulla. How many? 4. Then he brought how many? 1. Gurudev asked, hey, I told you bring 4 Rasgulla. Why did you bring 1? Gurudev, this is not my fault. Listen. Gurudev, don't angry with me. The disciples start to give instruction to Guru. Gurudev, don't angry with me. Gurudev, keep patient. What happened? Acha, Gurudev, you always told, when you go to the market buy anything, have to taste, is it good or bad. So I bought actual 4 Rasgulla. According to instruction, I bought how many? 4. But you told me that if you go market, have to taste, is it good or bad. So 1 Rasgulla I ate. Taste. Then 3 Rasgulla I am bringing. Then on the way, you in your class sometimes one day sometimes told 3 number is not good. 3 number is not good. Inauspicious. If the 3%, the argument. So I think okay. So I ate another. How many now? 2. Then I am bringing 2 Rasgullas. When I come, then I am thinking, Gurudev, I am your only one disciple. And you are very generous. Every day you eat prasad, then you keep some remnants for me. So I am thinking 1 Rasgulla for Guru, another Rasgulla for me. So I am thinking why you wait for Gurudev remnants. It is better before offer to Guru, I can eat. Because this is my portion. It's stupid. How possible we ate 3 Rasgulla? Gurudev, this is simple. How? Look, Gurudev, how? Then take another. So this Sevak is called what? Bak. Bak, understand? Bak means? What do you understand? Bak means? Not brainwashing. Train. And cane. What do you call? What do you call Portuguese?
Pelicano. Tem aquela grande, depois põe na fruta.
So now is coming is how to serve Guru and Krishna. Atasya Krishna namadi no bhaved grajyendri. All our senses material. How will serve to Krishna Nam? They get fancy. Nama Chintamani, Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha, Purna Suddha Nitya Mukta, Avinnatvat Nama Naminam. How will chant Guru? Because all my senses material. Our tongue also material. Our Krishna Nam transcendental. How will chant Krishna Nam with our material tongues? How will listen Krishna Nam? Harikatha, transcendental. How will listen with our ears? Because transcendental. Harikatha. How will chant? So saying, Atasya Krishnamadi no bhavid gajendri. Sevanmukhi vritti. Yes, here their Rupa Goswami Pad intends this word. How will chant holy names, transcendental holy names? When your person, seva vritti will come. Tendency to serve
Guru Vaishnava.
Guru Vaishnava seva. Seva vritti will come. And that time all your senses will become tadatma vritti, oneness with the potency of the Lord. Tadatma vritti will come. At the tadatma vritti senses, then you can chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Seva. When your habitual mood will come, then automatically all your senses will become tadatma. What is the meaning of tadatma vritti? Oneness with the potential of Lord. Bhagavad Shakti. Okay? Give an example. If you put the iron rod in the fire, then fire potency, heat of the fire, enter in the iron rod, and that iron rod can burn in everything. Same iron rod cannot burn anything. But same iron rod when you put in the fire, then all the heat of the fire enter in the rod. Okay? And that rod you put, that will be your body. In the same way, when the seva vritti will come, Guru Vaishnava, what does he want? How to wake up your seva vritti. Jeev jago, Gora chant kore, Koto nidra jao maya Pishachi. Otho, jago. Please wake up. Do bhajan and sang. I thought, come here, 10:30, 12 o'clock, very few devotees here. Some running here. What is seva vritti? What is seva? Krishna, Nam Sankirtan. So what is meaning of Bhagavad Saptam means how to wake up your seva vritti. Please wake up. Not other things. Guru Vaishnava, they are very smart citizens. They also try to wake up your seva vritti. Otho jago. Otho jago. Hare Kam Hari Katha. And sit on the Bhagavad and Kirtan, Nam Sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. I told 7 days, no dating with your boyfriend and girlfriend. No sit together. At least start 7 days. This is Chaturmasya. Very super. 7 days, you should not dating, chatting, fetting. Understand? No Radha, no Radha. I know, sitting together. Sit in front of Srimad Bhagavatam, Hari Katha. Understand? At least 7 days, you have become what? Brahmachari or Brahmacharini. Understand?
Yes.
Who will do? Raise hand. 7 days, Brahmachari. 7 days, Brahmachari. No dating, no chatting, betting. At least 7 days. Don't become cats and dogs, animals. Every life. So I am to be heavy chastisement. 7 days, Hari Katha. 7 days, no, what is it called? Dating, what is it called? Dating, not called.
Kissing and hugging, no.
No kissing, no embracing with your boyfriend, girlfriend. Brahmachari. Don't sit together. Supreme nonsense. At least 7 days become brahmachari. Huh? Brahmachari. Huh? This at least this is what the habit. Slowly, maybe different paths. In this way of your sukriti will be accumulated, then you will be attained Suddha Bhakti Bhakti Sangana Pariyayati Satsanga Papate Pungvi Sukriti Purva Sanchita. If you 7 days, look, this is also a reserve for your whole life. Whole life means is not this life. This whole life means your Atmas. Reserve for you. In this way, many lives you are doing this way and accumulated the Sukriti. And this Sukriti, when matured, then with the Sadhu, Guru, Vaishnava, then Bhakti Devi will come. So for this is what we are saying. Just little bit, do something for it. No parchacha parananda, no discuss, criticize others. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Criticize to others. Regular parchacha. Okay? Sabi pungsang par, so we get सेवा सभी पुंसांग परो धर्म जतो भक्ति अधनमस्कारी अहितु की अप्रतियाता संध्यात्मा संप्रसिद्धि. And bhakti will manifest in your heart. That's not a media. Seva bhakti will come spontaneous. Seva bhakti. And then another 2 symptoms. What is that? Gyan Vairagya. Gyan means knowledge. Tattat Gyan automatically. And Vairagya means detached from the material sense. Good. Bhakti manifests one's heart. The 3 symptoms. Bhakti means seva bhakti. Bhakti parishan bhava virakti annatra chaishatrika ekokara. Bhakti means seva bhakti. Bhakti not other thing. Bhakti means devotion service. Jnana vairagya jab ahitukam. Gyan means transcendental knowledge will come. Vairagya means detachment from the sense current. Yeah. You cannot give up everything at a time. So slowly. At least 7 days you practice. This is it. At 7 days you become what? Brahmachari. Okay, 7 days. I will tell you. No parachacha, no paraninda, no discuss. And others false. Then chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So now, second answer clear or not? Yeah, how Atma, soul will be, or Bhagavan will be pleased. And his Lord will please, then your soul also will please. This is it. If Guru is pleased, then Bhagavan will please. Jasya prasadat Bhagavat prasadu Jasya prasadan nagati kutayoti Dhyan subhantas jasastri sandan Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam. Coming in this way, second questions and answer finished. Then third, what is the third question? Shruta janasi bhadranti bhagavan saptatam tati Devaka Vasudevasya Jatu Jasya Chikirisaya. Hey Bhagavan Gurudev. Suta Janasi Bhadram Te Bhagavan Saptatang Pati. Bhagavan Krishna. He resides in the heart of all the living entities. This is true. He is the supreme controller. Sattvatanapati. Devakti Vasudevasya Jatu Jasya Chikirsa. What is the reason? He appeared in the womb of Devaki. That means sons of Devaki and Vasudeva. Why? I want to listen this. Bhagavan means Israel. He resides everywhere. He is Son. But he also appeared from the womb of Devaki. That means he was son of Devaki and Vasudeva. So I want to Devaka Vasudevasya Jatu Jasya Chikirisa. I want to know this. This third question. This third question will be given in where? 10th canto. When we will discuss 10th canto. Then fourth question. What is the fourth question? Tatnam sususumanam ahasannam varnitum jasya avataro bhutanam khemaya cha bhavaya cha. He Sutta Goswami Pad Gurudev tell to me, Krishna and Balaram, they appear. He told. Just I explained this. And his also many avatar katha. Avataravali katha. Avatar means incarnation of Krishna. Then, how many avatars? 24 avatar, 24 avatar katha for scriptures. How many? 24. Avatar katha. Jayadev Goswami Pad explained how many avatar katha? Incarnation of Lord? Who knows? 10 avatar puspaka. How many? 10. Raya Pradhi Jali Dittavan Sivedam. You know this one? Raya Pradhi Jali Dittavan Sivedam. Ditavaitra Charitra Kesavadrita Mina Sarira Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare Kesavadrita Mina Sarira Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare Kesavadrita Purma Sarira Kesavadrita Purma Sarira Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare Kesavadrita Pararupa Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare Kesavadrita Krishna Rupa Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare Kesavadrita Vamana Rupa Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jaya Jagadisha Hare Kesavadrita Good enough. Kesab Krishna. Kesab means Shiva, who is the supreme controller of Brahma and Shiva. For this regard, his name is called Kesava. Kesava. और केशव बदनावती श्रीमती राधा इति केशव. Krishna is called Rasik Krishna, Rasik Brahma Krishna. Dev Lalit Nayak. He also, what is called? What is this? So decorate Srimati Radhika's bread in what is called? In Vrindavan, Singara. And for this regard, his name is also Kesava. And Kesava Badnati Radhakam Iti Kesava. That means Krishna, he also decorates Srimati Radhika's bread here. And with the flowers, Srimati Radhika is looking, checking the mirror on his hand, and Krishna behind, what is doing? Very nicely, with the flowers. That is called Dhir Lalit Nayak, Prayasi Vaji Bhuta. Who is Dhir Lalit Nayak? He has four qualifications. One qualification here, explained, is completely controlled, and with his consort, then Srimati Radhika she controls. She controls Krishna. Hey Krishna, you also decorate my hair with the flowers. Then Krishna is doing Jatha Kaminna, as like a lusty person. Yes, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Jatha Kaminna. Kaminna means one is completely controlled by the ladies. Lusty person. Sit down, stand up. Understand? Lord says, sit down, stand up, massage my feet. Then he is massaging feet. Understand? Decorate. Put, what is it called? Altar, understand? Red legs. Put my feet, then Krishna also. Many things. If I tell you, you cannot digest. Something. So this is called Kaminna. Krishna is like a Kaminna. As like a lusty person. Which Bhagavan Kesava, with the supreme controller Brahma Shiva, Veda Upanishad everywhere glorified about it. Om Tadavishnu Paramam Padam Sada Vasante Suraya Deva Chaksuratatam. Veda Upanishad glorified about it. Brahma Shiva, all the 5 class exalted rishi munis, sadhus, taking flowers, offering his lotus feet. And now same Krishna Kesava, what is he doing? And Kaminna. Remember this one. What did he say? What is mean Kaminna?
Controlled by
Control by his consort. Srimati Radhika. Do this. Put altar on my feet. Then Srimati Radhika did. But Krishna could not. When Krishna just saw Srimati Radhika lotus feet, then Krishna's heart melted. How is beautiful Srimati Radhika's lotus feet. And many signs also there. Krishna's looking. Just took that the, what is it called? With the painting paint. Do this. Dot in there. But Krishna could not put the altar in the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes passed. But Krishna could not. Krishna's hand stuck to say. Then Srimati Radhika, she became very angry. How this stupid person? He hold my feet. How is Parabrahma Bhagavan Kesava? Always remember, who is doing this lila? Not ordinary lusty person. Don't think. But he is doing this lila. Hold the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Understand? And doing this. And he hand also second. Then Srimati Radhika, she angry. Stupid nonsense. You cannot put altar on. You have no brain. When Srimati Radhika, she took her leg, then Srimati Radhika's feet, leg, touch the head of Krishna or touch in the chest of Krishna. So Srimati Radhika's leg touch in her, touch up Krishna's chest. Now that altar, which was dropped in the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika, then Krishna's chest completely what? red smell. Then Krishna is very happy. And Anuragam Bhakta Anuragam. Jayadev Goswami Pad explains. And how Krishna deep attachment, Anurag with Krishna, Srimati Radhika, now coming in his chest. Balavindavan Bihari Lal. Our Raghunath Das Goswami explained on that way. When Srimati Radhika angry and took back her feet, then Krishna Srimati Radhika lotus feet touched on the forehead of Krishna. Then Krishna's forehead very nicely decorate with the lotus feet of Krishna. Srimati Radhika, Krishna's lotus feet, what is called? Stand with lotus feet of Radhika's lotus feet here. Then Krishna is very happy. Balavindavan Bihari Lal. So why is saying? Because Dasa Avatar. Yes. So here is saying Suta Janasi Bhaktin Bhagavan Satyatam Patim Devako Vasudevo Jatu Chachkirsan. And also technique and also tell about just Avatara Bhutan Khema Cha Bhagavaya Bhavaya Cha. And his all incarnation Katha. Tell to me. Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Nisimha, and all the Katha I want to know. Listen Krishna Avatar Katha. Listen. Krishna Avatar Lila Katha. Matsya Avatar Katha. In his Matsya Avatar means incarnation of fish. He protect the Vedas. This Katha also Srimad Bhagavatam explains. 7 days how possible is it? Nothing. Not possible. Kathas would be what? Nityan Katha, every day. But how possible 7 days? Only one Avatar Katha if you listen, Matsya Avatar Katha, needs 7 days also. How Krishna manifests in the form of min. Min means fish. And how he protect the Vedas. Matsya Avatar. Then Varaha Avatar, Kurma Avatar Katha, many Avatar Katha. So Deva Goswami Pad also told Srimad Bhagavatam very briefly on one Avatar Katha. Very sweet, Krishna Katha, Amrit Katha. So here also saying, Jas Avataru Bhutanam Khemayam Cha Bhavaya Cha. Avatar Mangalamay Katha, the auspicious first tense of his incarnation, Nisimha Avatar Katha. Very sweet also. Bhaktavatsala Bhagavan Nrsimhadev ki Lord Nrsimhadev, he has one special quality. He has so much love and affection with his devotees. For this Lord Nrsimhadev is called Bhaktavatsala Bhagavan. Nrsimhadev. Nrsimhadev, Ramchandra and Krishna. That is called Parag Avatar Tattva. Paravis Tattva. So now coming in this way, then come which? Fourth. What is the fourth question?
What's this?
No. This Avatar is the fourth. No?
Yes, yeah.
Now fifth. What is the fifth question? Kritavana kila karmani sah ramena kesava Odimastani bhagavanam guram kapatamansa. Yes, kapatamanas katha. Very nice. Kritavana kila karmani sah ramena kesava. Ramena Balaram and Kesava Krishna. And tell me they are super excellent human being first time. Pati Martani Bhagavan Guram Kapata Manusa. He is Kapat Manus. Manus means human being. He is not human being, but acting the role as like a human being. So Kapat Manus Katha. You tell to me. Understand? Apprehended. Kapat means? Apprehended. Not duplicity. Duplicity. He is not kapat, but he is acting the role of kapat. Kapata manusa katha. How perform his kapat manusa. You can pitavan kila karman saharamena kesava oti matani bhagavanam gudam kapata manusa. How Krishna Balaram performed many sweet lila in Braj lila. This katha. How Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan. How performed Rasa lila with the gopis. This katha will cover very sweet. She said, Kritavanam kila karma karmani sa ramena kesava oti martani bhagavanam gudam kapata manusa. Right? Then sixth question. What the sixth question? Could you remember?
When Krishna left
But
material world, who took care of Dharma?
yeah. Bruhi Yogeshwara Krishna Brahmane Dharma Varmani Sankashtamam Adunopate Dharmakam Saranagata. Hey Bhagavan, Gurudev, please tell to us when Krishna departed from this material world. Because Krishna is called Brahmane Dharma Brahmani. He always protects the Dharma. Paritranam sadhunam vinasaya cha duskritam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami juge juge. Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Another slok. Paritranam sadhunam vinasaya cha duskritam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami juge juge. Jada jada hi dharmasya glani bhavatir bharata. When the demon destroyed the varnashram dharma, he had give intent. Which dharma? Varnashram dharma. Varnashrama chadavata purusena parahuman Vishnu aradhate pantha nannat tattasa karanam. When the demon, they destroyed the varnashram dharma, then Bhagavan, he appeared in this material world and established the varnashram dharma and killed the demon, Paritranam sadhana, and he protects the sadhu and established varnashram dharma. Jada jada hi dharmasya glani bhavati bharata abhuttharthaya. In Lord, he appeared. And he killed the demon and reestablished varnashram dharma. Two slokas say. So, when Bhagavan Krishna departed from this material world, custom adunopate dharmakam saranagata. Then dharma, then he takes shelter of which lotus tree? What is the answer? This answer is very easy. Bhagavad dharma. When Krishna departed from this material world, then Krishna himself appeared in the form of Srimad Bhagavatam. Very clearly explained this way. Krishna departed and his another form is coming. Who is that? Srimad Bhagavatam. One day I told. Srimad Bhagavatam is non-different from Krishna. If that means devotees have to take shelter, lotus feet of Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Katham. So in this Kali Yuga, what is what? Listen to Bhagavad Katha. Bhagavad Katha and Bhagavad Nam, two things important. If you have noticed, Bhagavad Katha and Bhagavad Nam, holy names, and listen Bhagavad Katha. All your individual, usually Dharma Sanskrit, if you follow Dharma Sanskrit Pungsam, no, this way. If you follow all the rules and regulations of Varnashram Dharma, but you have no taste to listen Krishna Katha and no taste to Krishna Nam, that means all your endeavors, that is called. Usually, Chari Varnasrami Jadi Krishna Nahi Bhaje Sasa Karma Karite Sai Rau Rabe Podi Mare Maje Chetana. For Varna and Asrami, Brahman, Kshetra, Vaishya, Sudra, Sannyasi, Banprasti, Grahastha and Brahmachari. If they just absorb with their Varnashram Dharma, but not chanting holy names, not following the rules, that is called all their activities are useless. Bisat Sena Kathasuja, Nakpade Jadirati, Srama, Evohi, Kevalam. Yes, you are working hard work. Following all the rules, this is true. But you have no taste Krishna Katha and no taste Krishna Nam. All your endeavors is what? Useless. They just say, Visaksena Katha. If you have no taste the Krishna Katha, Krishna Nam, all your endeavors, useless. Dharma Sanskrit Pungsang Visaksena Katha Nakpade Jadirati Seva Srama Evahi Kevalam. Very clearly, my Guru again and again repeated this verse. Everybody have to be intense, listen Krishna Katha and Krishna Nam. Because this is the Kali Yuga Dharma. Kali Yuga Dharma is the Nam Seva. Bhagavad Seva. Bhagavad Seva means listen Bhagavad Katha means you are servicing Bhagavad. So maybe your question will come, okay, I will listen Bhagavad Hari Katha, not cooking. No. You have to do, but with this intense to Krishna Katha. When Hari Katha, then you give up all your duties. Then listen Bhagavad Katha. Other time, you can cook. Bhukhe bhajan nahay Gopala. You cannot perform bhajan sadhana to Krishna if you are hungry. Bhukhe bhajan nahay Gopala. After Hari Katha you want prasad or not? Yes. So before Hari Katha you have to cook. This simple. Because timing. You have to do which time, which things. Okay, this time you cook, this time listen Hari Katha, this time you take rest. Everything have to make the schedule, proper schedule. Schedule, understand? When Hari Katha, then you have to come Hari Katha. Everybody have to take responsibilities, his own duty and responsibilities. Some person can cook, some person can play mridanga, some person can sing. This is the schedule. Not every time 20 people in kitchen. Oh, what do you do? I am serving. Hey, and many people come here. Come here. Look at that. Something just as well. No, no need. Everybody make a schedule. This is the system. Not just everybody coming. Oh, I want to cook this. I want to cook this. I know. If you make the schedule. Today, who will cook? Who will service? This is everything. You have to make the. So this is his responsibility. Every day, different person cook. This is responsibility. Or everybody 20 people start to cooking, then maybe 30 people eat, then 20 people cook. So who will eat? Lot. What's that? So I'm saying sometimes you told no. You have to then make the schedule. and give the response. Okay, this is your service. Duty is what? Cooking. Today you should do. Today your service to washing the pot. Today you are not service to cook. Today your service is what? Washing the pot. Everybody have to take the responsibility. Then systematic way come, then everybody will be happy and proper way to listen Hari Katha. This is the process. This is the process. Okay, today you should be Pujari, another day you will be Pujari. Pujari is it? Patsy Thakurji Arati. Secret, make the CD. Then, so for the dharma, samstha pungsam, visaksena kathasjo, nakpade jodigati, srimo ego hi kevalam. If you have no taste, listen Hari Katha and Hari Nam. Even you perform all your responsible duty, that is what useless. For this regard, I say. Then this answer is coming. What is the answer? No? In this Kali Yuga, Dharma took shelter at the feet of Srimad Bhagavatam. Bhagavad. But who is Bhagavad? Hare Krishna himself manifested in the form of Srimad Bhagavatam. Can you go on? Then coming answer comes. Only 3 answer yet not finished. 2 answers. Why Krishna, Devaki, Krishna appears in the womb of Devaki Vasudeva. This answer will be given here, 10th canto. And another also, Krishna Balaram Lila Katha. Another is also Krishna's Avatar Katha. This also is 3rd canto to starting. Varaha Avatar Katha. Different cantos discuss Krishna's different Avatar Lila Katha. And how Krishna in his avatar incarnation, he protects his devotee also. For this regard, Bhakta Charit Katha coming. Bhakta Charit means the character of the devotee of Lord. Many Bhakta Lila Charit Katha is coming. And especially should be discussed Kopil Devuti Sangvad, 3rd canto. Then 4th canto Katha, Puranjan Puranjani Katha, Dhruva Charitra, the character of Dhruva Maharaj, very important. Then 5th canto Bharat Maharaj Katha. If you attachment with your dog, next life 100% you will become his what? Dog. Always speak the truth. You embracing, kissing, and sleeping with your dog under your bed, then next life you will become his what? Dog. If you want to become dog, this is not my problem. Your problem. Then you understand Lord dog body is how is suffering there. Cat body, if you deep attachment with cat, then next life you will become cat also. If you want to become cats and dogs, then you can also sleep with your cats, dogs under your bed, no problem. Bad smell coming or not? Yes. But those who are sleeping with the cats and dogs, they are not seeing bad smell. Their bed is nice. Because every day they are smelling the cats and dogs. So they are not feeling anything. Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, he gave an example. One fisherman. He bought some fish in the market and he sold all the fish in the market. Then he had to return back his home. That time night time, they were thinking, oh, maybe tonight I can spend in one nice garden. Then tomorrow I will go my house. So night time he was taking rest in one big park. You know park? Big park. And there is very nice, beautiful flowers blossom. And spring season, sweet breeze, not hot and not cold. So we are thinking, oh, this is a very nice place. So he lay down on the park, you know, and did gamcha and lay down. Sweet smell coming from the garden, many kinds of flowers blossom. I told. This is a month. What is the season? Spring season. Madhavi, Malati, many kinds of flowers blossom. Sweet breeze coming. He lay down. But midnight he could not sleep. His sleepiness was not coming. Why? There is sweet smell coming. Then he said, why my mind was this time not? Oh, this is the right point. Then he took his own, what is it called? Basket, which he put the fish. That basket he put behind his head. Then he slept. Sleep. Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada gave this example. In the same way, conditioned soul, they like the bad smell. That is thing they good. This is true. Those who are taking the cat's dog in the house. When you go, if you have no house, cat's a dog. If you enter in the house, you are vomiting. Oh my God, where am I coming? And if you have cat's dog, you don't mind. But same smell. This is true. Who has no cat, a dog? Or who has cat and dog? Understand? If you go in his house, automatically bad smell comes. He does not feeling anything. This is true. Because you have dog, every day same smelling of dog. Your nose is blocked with the same. But if I will go, put the, what is it called? Incense. I cannot say this, you will remove your dog. But I will say, okay, put the incense. This is the truth. So Bharat Maharaj Katha, 5th canto, how Bharat Maharaj he attached with the deer. Then next birth he became who he was. This is evidence. I am not criticizing, just I repeat the verse from Srimad Bhagavatam. And Gita also says. Gita. Krishna says also. One who is about to die, and remember it, with his cats and dogs, next birth he will become cats and dogs. Jam jam bhapi smaranam tajante kalevaram tada tadbhava bhavita kantya. This is Bhagavad Gita Katha. Bharat Maharaj attached with the deer, then next life he became deer. Then Krishna says, Anto Kalija Mans Maranam. At the end of his life, one who remembers me, then you attain my abode dham, Bhagavad Dham. So chant Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then 6th canto, Sukadeva Goswami Pad told, what katha? Ajamil katha, Nam Mahatma. Maybe evening we'll discuss, because our time is very short. Ajamil katha, Nam Mahatma. Because Srimad Bhagavatam starts in Nam, Harinam. In the middle, 6th canto, Nam Katha, Nam Mahatma. Or end of Srimad Bhagavatam, 12th canto, also glorifies Nama Sankirtan, Jasya Vachi, Nama Sankirtan. Adi Madhya Ante Cha, Sarvatra Hari Giyate. Adi Madhya Ante. In the beginning, you chant holy names. In the middle, also chant holy names. At the end, Harinam. This is the process. In the beginning of Bhagavad Katha, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Nam Mahatma. Parikshit Maharaj. Just to finish it. Parikshit. Huh? They offer it for me. Huh? How long take time?
Right now.
Okay, there are 5 minutes. Parikshit Maharaj. Huh? Parikshit Maharaj, he was cursed with the rishis. What is his name? Singh Rishi. After 7 days, the snake will come and bite to him. Taksha, the snake. Very poisonous, deadly snake will come. Then Parikshit Maharaj think what to do. Then he gave the message, all the Rishi Munis. Then all Rishi Munis they came. And they also different suggestions. Kurmi Rishi, Gyani Rishi, Yogi Rishi. Everybody give the different their opinion. Kurmi they are saying, okay, you give donation, Dan Punna. You will die. So you are king, so you have lot of wealth money. Give donation to everybody. Kurmi, they karma kanda. Gyanis they are saying, okay, you also study the Vedas, acquire the knowledge, then you merge in Brahma. Yogis, they are okay, you practice the yoga process. Huh? This thing. Ashtanga yoga. Yeah? This is Jamniyam, Asam Pranam, Dhyan Dharma, Samadhi, Nirvikalpa Samadhi, how to merge in Paramatma. So Karmi Sadhu, Yogi Sadhu, Gyani Sadhu, many kinds of sadhu they give their different their idea. Part by Sukadev Goswami part arrives. Sukadev Goswami part told his part. Etavadam vimuddhamanam nichchatam kuto bhayam jaginam vinnitam hare namano kirtanam. Sukadev Goswami part. If anybody is about to die and laying on the bed of death, his duty is what? Listen Hari Katha, and if not possible to listen Hari Katha, and chant holy names. Even not chant holy names, just someone chant holy names, then the vibration will enter in his ears and also his head. So say, Etavad nirbuddhamanam nichchatam akuto bhayam jaginam vinnitam hare namam kirtanam. Nam sankirtan. Bhagavad Katha or Nam sankirtan. This is correct. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hello, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama. Everybody come. What time? 5:30 should be started. Yeah. Now or more is 3-4 days. Finish. Okay, Arjun. Oi. Who is doing us? Come again. Nasceu em Brindava porque nasceu